Promotion helps to hire the employee from internal source. So it's an upward movement of an employee within the organization. According to Scott and Clother, promotion is a job which increases the salary as well as which carries some status for the individual. So that is promotion. So we have three types of promotion. First one is horizontal promotion, vertical promotion and drive promotion. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all to the second session on Unit 4 Human Resource Management. I am Meghana from the Department of Commerce, lecturing in Vidhyaashram First Aid College, the Temple of Excellence. In today's session, let us continue with the performance appraisal, promotion and transfer. In the last session, we finished with the performance appraisal. What do you mean by performance appraisal? What are the advantages of performance appraisal? Methods of performance appraisal. In today's session, let us discuss with the next topic, that is promotion, purpose of promotion, types of promotion, basis of promotion. Then last topic, transfer and types of transfer. So let us take one by one. Let us start with the promotion. What do you mean by promotion? While discussing about the performance appraisal, I have told you that performance appraisal is a first step for the promotion. So what do you mean by promotion? Promotion means an upward movement of an employee. That means increasing in the salary, increasing in status, responsibility and their job. So increase vertical movement of an employee, upward movement of an employee within the organization. So promotion is an internal recruitment. It's a type of internal recruitment where the organization can recruit the employees for the higher authority from the internal source. So they can go for external source or they may use this internal source. Promotion helps to hire the employee from internal source. So it's an upward movement of an employee within the organization. Promotion is a vertical movement of an employee within the organization. In other words, promotion refers to the upward movement of an employee from one job to another higher one with increase in salary, status and responsibility. Promotion, it increases the salary as well as the responsibility and role of individual employee. A promotion is a transfer of an employee to a job which pay more money or one that carries some preferred status. So, which pay more money as well as which carries some status, that we call it as a promotion according to Scott and Clother. So, according to Scott and Clother, promotion is a job which increases the salary as well as which carries some status for the individual. So, that is promotion. Next one, why it is necessary? What is the purpose of promotion? So what all are the benefits for the organization as well as for the individual? So the purpose of promotion is to recognize an employee's skills and knowledge and utilize it to improve the organizational effectiveness. So through the performance appraisal, we analyze, we evaluate the individual skills and knowledge. So now through the promotion, you can utilize, you can recognize the individual employee skill and we can utilize those skills and knowledge in order to improve the organizational efficiency. We can take maximum efforts from the employee for organizational betterment. So first one is for organizational benefit as well as in order to recognize the individual skills and knowledge. Next one, to reward and motivate employees to higher productivity. So through the promotion, you can motivate the individual in order to increase their productivity and efficiency. In order to motivate the individual, so this is the key factor in order to motivate and in order to increase the productivity and efficiency among the employees. Next one, to develop competitive spirit and inculcate the zeal in employees to acquire the skills, knowledge, etc. So, in order to develop the competitive spirit among the employee based on their skills and knowledge, you're going to promote the individual, you're going to give benefits for the individual employee. So, it develops competitive spirit, healthy competition among the employee in order to increase the skills and knowledge of an individual, in order to increase their productivity to get promotion. So, it's a kind of motivation as well as it increase or it develop the competitive, healthy competition among the employees. Next one, to promote employee satisfaction and boost their morale. So in order to promote employee satisfaction. So if through the promotion you can satisfy the individual needs and wants for their work, for their effective work, you're contributing or you're benefiting for the individual. So it helps to increase the employee satisfaction and improve their morale. So it helps to motivate as well as in order to satisfy the individual needs and wants and in order to increase the productivity and efficiency. Next one, to build loyalty among the employees towards organization. So it helps to create the loyalty among the employees towards the organization. Automatically they work effectively and they contribute for the organizational growth. Next one, to promote good human relationship. So it helps to build a good relationship between the top management as well as the employee. Next, to increase the sense of belongingness. So when the sense of belongingness increases or created, then the employees work effectively. They treat the organization as their own assets or their own child and they contribute for the organization and they always come up with the innovative and new idea for their organizational improvements and organizational objective. Next one, to retain the skilled and talented people. So through the promotion, salary, reputation, status, responsibility increases. So it helps the organization to retain the skilled employees. So it helps them to it helps the organization to retain the skilled employee for the future. To attract trained, competent and hard-working people. To attract trained, competent and hard-working people. So it helps to attract, promotion helps to attract the skillful employee for the organization. So in order to recruit new employee and in order to give training for them and in order to give direction and in order to supervise them, it requires time as well as the money. So it is cost for the organization, so that they attract the trained employee and they try to retain the skilled employee for the organization to reduce the cost as well as for the better result. So for all this purpose, we need to promote our employee to retain, to increase the skill, to establish a healthy competition, to develop individual skills and knowledge and to motivate them. For all this purpose, promotion is necessary. Moving further, what are the types of promotion? So we have three types of promotion. First one is horizontal promotion, vertical promotion and dry promotion. So under that, first one is a horizontal promotion. We know promotion means an upward movement of an employee within the organization. So under a horizontal promotion, responsibility and status increases, but the roles or the work of the employee remains same. For example, lower division clerk is promoted as a higher division clerk. The work remains same, but roles and responsibility and salary will increases. So he is going to continue with the same work, but the responsibility as well as the salary will increases. So that is horizontal promotion. Under vertical promotion, salary, status, roles and responsibility, then along with all these things, roles as well as the work will change under this vertical promotion. For example, functional head is promoted as a chief executive officer. So here, along with the responsibilities, duties and salary status, there the work also changes. Whole work is changed under this vertical promotion. Here, work remains same. Last one, dry promotion. Dry promotion means without any benefits. Without any benefits, roles and responsibility increases. Here, status, roles and responsibility increases, but salary or benefits remains same. For example, a professor is promoted as a HOD. Their roles and responsibility increases, but the salary or benefits remain the same. That is dry promotion. Without any benefits, status, roles and responsibility will increases. That is dry promotion. So these all are the three types of promotion: horizontal, vertical and dry promotion. So first one, horizontal, roles and responsibility, status will increases, but they are going to continue with the same work with the high responsibility. Under vertical promotion, salary, status, roles and responsibility as well as the work is change or entirely it differs. Next, dry promotion, without any benefits, without any financial benefits or without increasing in their salary, status and roles and responsibility increases. So this is all about types of promotion. Moving further, what all are the basis? On which basis you are going to promote your employee? So basis for promotion. First one is seniority. So based on the seniority, you are going to give promotion for your individual. So each and every basis has their own merits as well as the demerits. So based on the seniority, you are going to give promotion. If you consider some of the government job, based on the seniority, they will give promotion. They won't consider the educational qualification, their contribution, all those things. So based on the seniority, they give promotion. So seniority is the main thing they consider for the promotion process. So that is first thing. Next one is competence or merit. So competence or merit is a individual ability and skill, individual contribution for the organization. They consider only the individual skills and knowledge and the contribution for organization. So based on the merit as well as your competitive strength, they promote individual. If individual perform well in particular task, he contributes for the organizational betterment, organizational achievements, then he will get the promotion. So that is merit or competences. So last one is seniority come merit. So they consider both the seniority as well as the merit in order to give promotion. So that is seniority come merit. So all the bases has their own merits as well as the demerits. So if you consider only the seniority, under seniority method, this merit as well as the competences, the individual, if the employee contributes for the organizational achievements, so they feel bad, so they are demotivated through this method of promotion. So it reduces the productivity of an individual. So if you consider this competence or merit only, the seniority, if the employee is working from past 10 years, so you cannot retain your loyal employee. You may lose your loyal employee. All the bases has their own merits as well as the demerits. Based on organizational requirements and their techniques, they are going to use this basis. So these all are the basis for promotion. Moving further, next topic is transfer. What do you mean by transfer? Transfer means reallocating or placing the employee at the right place. So transfer is the process of placing the employee in the position where they are likely to be more effective or where they are to get more job satisfaction. So where you can utilize their skills and knowledge at the maximum level, or where the employee will get the more job satisfaction. That is transfer. Transfer means placing the employee where you can utilize the ability and skills of the employee at a maximum level, or where the employee will get more job satisfaction. According to Edwin Filippo, transfer is change in job where the new job is substantially equal to the old in terms of pay, status and responsibility. So under promotion, pay, status and responsibility will increases, but under the transfer, pay, status and responsibility remains the same. So with the same roles and responsibility and the salary, you are going to work in a different location. That is transfer. What all are the reason for transfer? So why you need to transfer your employee? First one is to meet the organizational need. For example, you have 3 branches. In order to utilize the individual skills and knowledge at a maximum level, you need to transfer your employee in order to fulfill the organizational needs. So branch 1 is required the individual skills. For that reason, in order to fulfill that reason, you are going to transfer your employee. So that is organizational needs. Next one, to satisfy employee needs. to satisfy employee needs. Sometimes employee requires transfer. So they need to work in a different location. So their ambition or their desire is to work in that particular location or in that particular branch. So in order to fulfill employee needs, sometimes you need to transfer your employee. Next one, to better utilize employee. To better utilize employee. Job requirement is less in a particular department or particular branch. So in order to utilize the employee skills at a maximum level, you need to transfer the employee where there is requirement. So in order to utilize at a maximum level, you need to transfer your employee. Next one, to make the employee more versatile. So sometimes transfer helps to increase the individual skill and in order to widen their knowledge. In case of banking sector, they transfer the employees in a different location. So it is also known as job rotation. So it helps the individual to gain the knowledge about all the department or different tasks. So it increases their knowledge, it widens their knowledge and skills. So in order to increase the employees' knowledge and skill, you need to transfer sometimes. To adjust the workforce. In order to balance the workforce with the 2 or 3 locations. So with the different location, you need to balance with the available human resources. Sometimes in order to balance with the human resources, you need to transfer the employees. Next one, to provide relief. In order to provide relief for your employee, you need to transfer the employee. Next one, to punish employee. Sometimes transfer is used as a punishment in order to teach or in order to punish your employee. So you can transfer your employee for the remote area. So it acts as a punishment for them. So all these are the reason for transfer. So moving further, types of promotion. So what all are the types of promotion? First one is a production transfer. Production transfer means you have 3 branches. Requirement for the human resources is less in particular department. That is, in branch 1, the requirement for human resources is less because the production is reduced, so that the human resource requirement is less. So you have enough employee, so that in order to utilize those employees, you need to transfer. You are going to transfer those employees for the other location or for other branches. So in order to increase the productivity or in order to use that human resources, you are going to transfer. That is production transfer. Due to decrease in the production, due to less requirements of human resources in particular department, you are going to transfer your employee. That is production transfer. So next one is a remedial transfer. It's a remedy. So you can rectify your error. So you are hiring the employee and you have placed them a wrong job. So through this, you can place your employee for the right job in order to utilize the employee skills and knowledge. Next one is replacement employee. In order to retain your loyal employees, sometimes organization use this replacement transfer. So you are going to transfer some employee for the other location or for other branches in order to retain your loyal employee for that organization. Next one is versatile transfer. Versatile transfer, in order to increase or in order to widen the individual skills and knowledge, sometimes you need to transfer your employee for the different branch and different location in order to increase their skills and knowledge. So it helps benefits both the employee as well as the organization in order to widen their skills and knowledge and in order to utilize skills and knowledge at the maximum level. Next one, shift transfer. Shift transfer, it's based on the mutual agreement, mutual understanding. You can transfer the shift based on their mutual understanding. Next one is penalty transfer. So as I told you earlier, punishment. So organization can use this method or they can use this as a punishment or penalty for the employee. So they can transfer for the remote area in order to punish individual, in order to punish employee. So these all are the types of promotion. So this is all about performance appraisal, promotion and transfer. So this is the last topic for Unit 4. So let us meet in the next session with the Unit 5. Until then, keep watching. Thank you.